Is 2024 the year of automation and generative AI tools? 100%. We have a couple initiatives that are in kind of the POC phase right now. It goes everything from using AI to help profile, right?
Yeah.
Machine learning to help build the loads properly, giving different options to the builder at the time. Letting them take control and make tactical and strategic solutions for the customer and for us. But yeah, I would definitely say 2024, we definitely have automation goals in place to automate as much as possible. But I always like to say this, it isn't that we're going to automate people away, right? Because that's always scary. The answer is we want to turn some roles from doing one thing today to something new tomorrow.
Yeah.
The thing technology can't and will never do is build relationships, right? You want the people component in there. And I think we've let those people get a better quality of life around their job and really focus on the things that people can do, which is hone those relationships, build them, know them. AI is never going to call you up and ask you how your kid's doing, right? And if it does, you're not going to like it. But you want to hear a person on that end, and that's how we have the people that we work with and pivot quickly and meet all those challenges through those relationships.
Yeah, Seneca, if it can be automated, it should, but not everything can. And I deal with this on a human level every single day up there on the third floor, talking to my carrier sales reps. Is the machine taking my job? And no, the machine is actually going to change your job, right? The analogy I give them is pretend you're working on an assembly line. The year is 1980. You have a screwdriver in your hand, and your job is to put the screw in the part as it rolls down the assembly line. And then one day somebody rolls out a little robotic arm that does that human's job 10 times faster with 10 times less mistakes, and it doesn't call off sick the day after the Super Bowl, right? And that person, oh, the machine took my job. No, mister. Step back here behind the machine. I'm going to show you how to operate 10 of them, and I'll even pay you more money to do it.
I get really excited because, we've been in front of customers the last 2 years armed with data that I think we think is powerful, but if we're going to sort of supercharge that, what I hear is that moving to a much more data-first approach will only give us the ability to articulate that story deeper and probably open up better conversations around where else our network can be powerful for them.
I too get really excited about data, sometimes a little too excited. It's the very unique thing that we have that other people don't, right?
Yeah.
I mean, all people have data. All companies have data of some fashion. But we have a unique form where we touch different parts of these industries, not only in the finished vehicle, but remarketing space too, right? We have singles out there. We have all of these different avenues to get these units. And I think we really start to understand it. But what makes me excited is being able to go back to other parts of the organization, talking to the carrier rep, dealing with the operations, in sales, and arming internal folks with that data. So when they do speak to the customers, they have their own independent source, completely separate from the data that's given by maybe the customer that you're looking at.
Yep.
And air quote, leveling off all of us up with that data and thinking about how we can present it differently, how we can give that data back to the customer and show them portals, big topic as of late, having those available. All of that combined, I think, is super exciting. And 2024 is definitely the year of data as a whole.